Your house may need a new foundation if your house is over 100 years old, has a stone or rubble foundation, and looks like this. The foundation stones are falling out. There is some mortar in between, but they are very loose. There are rotted studs, and there are stones that are loose in multiple locations in this foundation. So this house definitely needs foundation replacement, at least in this area. And that is often how foundation replacement goes. People choose a spot and they fix that, and then 5 years later another spot falls in, they fix that instead of completing a foundation replacement for the whole house. Your home may need a new foundation if it is a rubble wall where the mortar in between the stones has become powder. Now, this happens quite often under brick houses. You think it's a brick foundation, but actuality, it's a stone or rubble foundation. And look at how those stones are loose there and right in that middle area. And that can be problematic. Your home may need a new foundation if your house was built from 1940 to 1965, roughly. Those are rough dates. And it has a cinder block foundation.